The 2017 BMW i3. This four-door, four-passenger hatchback still has fewer than 40,000 miles. Top features include a split folding rear seat, speed-sensitive wipers, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.